Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix battery drain problem or increase battery life in your device Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. So if you want to fix battery drain problem or increase battery life of your device Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G, you can do it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix battery drain problem or increase battery life in your device.